If you want to go back on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, then in case you have 3 buttons at the bottom of the screen, then you need to simply use this arrow button. It can actually be located either on the right or left side of it here, depending on how it is set up in the settings. So if you tap on this button, as you can see, we can just go back one step to the previous screen. Now, in case you actually use swipe gestures for navigation, then in this case, if you want to go back, what you can do is you can swipe from the left side of the screen towards the middle, like this. And if you perform this, as you can see, we have this arrow again, and once you lift your finger, you will simply go back to the previous screen. If it's more convenient for you, then you can also do the same thing, but from the right side. So from the right side, if you swipe towards the middle, as you can see, we also have this arrow, and this is also how we can go back.